All right, hold up, hold up. Okay, bring it in, bring it forward slowly. Well, there it goes. Start the line, we got work to do. Bring that load forward, driver. We need a chemistry check before it goes in.
Staging lane 4 is now fully aligned, ready for transfer sequence.
Basket aligned, coming down slow.
Clearance check complete. All clear for drop.
We have a fluctuation on the main feed.
Ramping down the voltage. Stream is steady. Check the heat levels. Temperature reading looks good. Confirm we are stable. Hold.
Transfer car approaching phase 2 alignment. All systems green.
Confirm.
Slow down, you're almost there. Easy now. Heating is fully engaged. Monitor the thermal curve closely. Gradient is stable.
Temperature reading is stable. We are clear for confirmation.
Everything is within tolerance according to the report.
Agreed. Let's send the approval.
What's the final reading on the melt?
Lock temperature is 7.
The melt is complete. Green light is solid. Power down is successful.
Ladle fully disengaged from the LMF.
Confirmed. Proceed to the next bay.
Bring her down easy, slow rotation. Copy that, watching the guy. All right, bring her down easy. Watch the alignment on the south side. All right, easy now. Bring her down slow. Clear below, coming.
The temperature on the mold is holding steady.
Good. Maintain the current flow rate.
That's it, hold it right there.
We're holding steady. The cooling rate is optimal.
Agreed. The surface crystal...
Easy now, clear on the left. Got it.
Check the temperature on the lower half.
It's stable, but keep the water flow. Car is approaching the hull. Confirmed, slowing down now.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the support beam.
Clear the east side conveyor now. Watch the overhead crane.
Primary strike complete. Initiate cycle start sequence.
Hammer ram lifts for next cycle. That's a good bite. Ease now, lift her up.
Cycle pause engaged. Confirm timing control.
Sequence check complete.
Approved for cycle start.
All right, Mac, easy now. Get the clamp set and lift on my mark. Copy that.
Readings are within tolerance.
Good, let's move it to the cooling bay.
All right, Mac, easy now. Keep...
Move it to the heat treatment bay now. Confirmed, moving it in.
checked phase 6 readings. The soak is stable.
Confirmed. The mega process.
We are aligned with the cooling stage.
Beginning the descent.
The cooling gradient is stabilizing right on schedule. Look at the uniformity.
Yes,
Thermal scan complete. Core temperature is stable at 25 Celsius.
clamps 7 through 12 are secure.
Confirmed. Pressure readings are...
The hardness is 45.2.
Confirmed. I am logging the...
We are set at 200 millimeters. All right, locking the upper.
The dimensional accuracy on this run is exceptional.
Lowering to the showcase platform now. Rate of descent is nominal.
Crane, you are clear on this side.
Roger that. Coming down slow.
Another masterpiece from the line.
It's ready for transport. The branding looks good to go, Sarah.
Incredible work, Chief. Let's power her up.
Another success for Mega Process Lab. The finish is exactly what the client wanted.
All parameters met. Seal is intact.
Confirmed. Gate 1 clear ship.
Make sure those slings are fully engaged at the strong points. All right, men, step clear and bring the boom up another 10 degrees. Hold it right there. Ready for tension. Taking tension now. Keep clear of the pinch point.
Load paths verified on all axes.
Zero error check complete.
Okay, slow and steady. Keep it coming up. Looking good. Easy now, easy. Clear on this side. Copy that.
All right, bring it down slow. We're clear on the west side. Keep it steady now.
Easy now, hold it steady. 3 inches left, 2 inches.
Steady now. Bring her down another 10 feet.
Copy that. Maintaining a...
Alignment confirmed. Proceed to lock.
Locking stabilized.
Slow descent, 1 millimeter. Copy that. Alignment confirmed.
West side's clear.
Solid con.
Load is full transferred. We have structural lock.
The Mega Process Lab component is fully secured. Ready. Final alignment.
All right, that's it for phase A. Looks good. Time to pack it up. All right, phase A is officially complete.
Solid work, Foreman.